How's this gonna work? We duck hunting? Hunting the ducks. The ducks are being hunted. I got a Mountain Dew, I got water. I'm gonna shoot the... Where they at? That's round one. I did it. I did it. Yeah, I'm not scared. Is this all this is? Cause you're just gonna lose. Yeah, it's that easy. It's that easy! Boop, boop. Where you at? I hate to be these ducks! Hate! I freaking hate to be these fucking ducks! Bam. Bam. Where you at, dude? I was gonna say, did I miss one? I don't believe I did. You guys are losing right now, ducks. You better get down. Is that it? Yeah. I'm going for a world record. Where they at? I'm going for world records, dude. Like, I would hate to be a duck in the air right now. Like, dude. Did I just win? Round 10. Like, yeah. Don't play with me! Alright, we're gonna go over here. They gotta be spotting. Boo! Boo! I'm booing you! Get fucking booed! 3 thumbs down. So many thumbs down. Is that it? Round 17, dude. I gotta make sure. I was like, did I lose points? 90. Imagine those were heads just clacking on them. Wow. Flicking beans, dude. At what point do you like win? This one might be the difficult one. Alright, we got it. Like, dude, I'm nothing to be played with. How many scores? Touchdown. That one's a little hard. Maybe this would be hard if I didn't have such a fast sensitivity, but like you're just asking me to shoot this motherfucker out the sky. Alright, this one might be a little hard. Is there like 1,000? How many rounds are there? You guys are gonna run out of steam before I do. I don't even need to move. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. The issue, like, yeah, that fucker's quick. I've made around 30. I think it's like around 40. Like, has anyone made it this far just to like do it? Like, it cannot be this easy, but it is. Like, boop, boop. Well, I'm almost about to give up. Like, I just keep scoring. Like, and then this one, oh. I was about to say, if I would have biffed that reload, I would have lost. Okay, this one might... Yeah, this is kind of getting hard. Fuck. Oh, did I get it? 2 seconds! Get out of here. Yeah, Mr. Bird. Dude, this is actually getting difficult. This gun kind of sucks. Oh, I'm dead. Eat shit! 2 seconds! Oh no, this one's gonna stink. Did I actually get it? Yo. We're going all the way to 50. Dude, how many? If CS was this easily, like, this easy normally, like, yeah. I'm gonna waste all my ammo trying to hit those. One second! 1 second! No, you fucking piece of shit! 45, dude. I made it to round 45.